So, hello everyone. I am Devang Sharma, and as we have took a challenge to make the videos for what we are learning twice in a week. So this is my first video. We are in this journey. So it is my first video, and recently I've been doing this. Currently, I'm doing the AWS. I must say. So I have made video on this only, so that the AWS will be revised with the same pace only, uh, as I will learn, as I will gain it, and I will explain it. So I will be in, like I can say, it will be clear. Concept will be cleared through that process. So in this, we'll be discussing first of all how what is this AWS, not the more theory, but what is AWS in general, cloud compute requirements in general, and how I set up and what the challenges and issues I faced, how I resolved it, and what I learned till now in AWS. So we'll be discussing all this thing shortly. So first of all, what is AWS? Everyone knows it, Amazon Web Services. So it is the web services, I must say, services. Service can be anything: storage, networking, computing resources. Rather than utilizing your physical machine, your RAM, ROM, and everything, CPU, you are utilizing the computing or resources from the cloud, or you can say over the internet, which is provided by the user, one user named Amazon. So in this way, there are various users: Microsoft Azures, Oracles, and Google also. So there are various users. These are the vendors, you can say, service providers, I must say. So they are the service provider who provide this service, and we are the client, or we are the user. In fact, not we, the individuals, the other corporate, also corporate companies, they also utilize these resources to, like, customize their softwares or deploy their software development companies, many one. So they utilize this cloud only. That's why, the as a user, as a normal user, we utilizes the various things using internet, like I must say, email, Gmail, all these things. Gmail provided by Google, Google Docs, and all these things are the software that are on the cloud. So cloud is nothing but, you can say, a virtual space which has its own, I must say, uh, physical hardware in the uh, physical hardware in the different location all across the globe. They are named as regions, availability zones, where data centers are established. So these are the, I can say, physical machines, but they actually don't need to go there. You can access via your home, your any device. So this is the biggest advantage, I must say, accessibility. You can access from any device, anywhere, anytime, no issue. But for that, you need to have a internet. So one requirement, everything done. And also you need to pay for it. As you go, as you use, you need to pay for it. So this is about what is AWS, I must say. And so we will be using AWS free tier account for a student. As I am student, yes, student, we need to learn it first. What are actually the things in this, what are the services we can utilize, and how it works actually, the vast system actually this work. So we will be doing all this thing. Apart from this, AWS, it is all, not AWS, cloud computing is the scalable, the most important thing is scalable, and it is the elastic one. Elastic means you can change the requirements at a time. In a one click, you can either uh, take 10 machines, or in a one click you can either go with the two machines. So you can increase the demand, you can like decrease the demand as per your need. So whatever you want for your software, for your work, you can utilize this at any moment. So this is the biggest advantage. But so one condition, you require internet, so that everyone has plenty of. So let's move on to the AWS. This video will be going, I think, the longer one. So we'll be concisely discuss what is the AWS. We have discussed it already. What the issue I have faced, I will explain it quickly. So AWS, while setting up AWS, I have done all the formalities, PAN card details I have put, and I have set up the payment method as a phone pay UPI first of all. So I was not knowing that it will actually verified or something like that in the backend. But yeah, it is verified for I think 24 hours or maximum 3 to 5 days. But I have not wait for that time. I thought the pop-up was successful, that yeah, you have successfully created an account, congratulations, and all this thing. So I have immediately deleted the payment mandate. Due to that, my account was locked and pending status. I was not knowing actually this, but later on when I talked from to the agents and to chat, I have created a case. I have got the issue what I was facing, that I have deleted this mandate. That's why my payment was failed, or I can say was not actually verified. Payment status was not verified and payment details was not verified. Due to that, my account was not opening. Means I can open the dashboard, but I cannot use any of the services. So that was not of any use. So recently, in the last 2 day, I have resolved that issue. I have again added the payment method, verified it clearly, everything working now. So first of all, I have gone with the Sajin sir's playlist where he taught about instances. What are all this, like EC2s, elastic cloud compute. So these are actual the virtual machines. I can say what I can say virtual machine. So yeah, he taught how we can create it. So I have followed this his step and access the virtual machine, created the instance, access it through my PC. So this is all. Later on we will discuss about what is the procedure in the next video of our lab video, I can say. So thank you and have a nice day.